on the Ultimate Fighter.
Referee Ed Kalata stands both fighters to their feet.
Oh my God! It is all over!
After that fight. The Koscheck wants to engage right here, but Woodley's backing up.